welcome back to the Luxy Hair YouTube channel. My name's Catherine and I want to show you how I used our new Velcro roller set to get this 90s blowout inspired look.
Okay, I'm starting out with wet to damp hair because I just took a shower and I'm going to use a hair dryer to blow dry my hair about 80% dry. So let's go. Now here's a quick look at the tools I'm going to be using to get that blowout look. This is the new Luxy Hair Velcro roller set. It comes with 18 Velcro rollers in large, medium, and small sizes. There's also these gorgeous gold clips that come with the set so you can easily pin the rollers down to your head. And it's all in this beautiful black vegan leather case. So to start, I'm going to separate my front pieces or bangs out with a rat tail comb. Clip everything out of the way for now. Now that we have the piece parted that we want to put onto the large Velcro roller, one tip is to spray some hairspray right before you roll it. So I'm going to take this and just at the base. Then I'm taking the largest size roller and rolling my front pieces up and away from my face to create that face framing volume. Take a pin and secure the roller in place. Then we can move on to the rest of my hair.
So there's two ways of rolling rollers. Either you roll your hair inward or outward. It really just depends on what look you're going for, but today I'm going to be rolling inwards as I want my hair to frame into my face. That's my eyes!
So I'm just continuing rolling each section under and towards my face and pinning each roller in place with the gold clips.
So I have two large rollers right here on the top of my head, and then I have two medium on each side and two small on each side. I like to put the small and medium framing my face around the front as much as possible, and then the larger in the back to give that volume. I'm gonna keep going and then I'll check back in when the whole head's done. Something I like to do to ensure that the hair stays on the roller is as I'm rolling it, I will place my hand over top of the roller just to ensure that all is where it needs to be.
Alright, now that all of my hair is up in the rollers, you want to leave them in for 20 to 30 minutes, so now we can go off and do something else while we wait.
Okay, while our hair is setting, let's talk about the benefits of rollers. Personally, of all the rollers that there are, Velcro rollers are probably my favorite. What I love is the versatility of the roller. You can create loose or tight curls, all depending on which size of roller you use. At Luxy Hair, we love styling tools that are safe for natural hair and hair extensions, especially ones that deliver style results. That's why we created the voluminizing Velcro roller set. Additionally, the Velcro rollers and clips come in a vegan leather pouch, so you can take them wherever you need them. Hello vacation packing without awkward cords and styling tools? Okay, our hair has been in our rollers for about 20 to 30 minutes. I like to have them set another 10 minutes, but before that, I like to do a little To me, this is just solidifying the shape that I want them to be in when I pull them out of the rollers. Totally up to you though, because sometimes I can be a little bit extra. All right, it's that time. Let's take our rollers out.
Okay, wow, look at that volume. My hair looks and feels like I just got a blowout from the salon.
Okay, let's talk about this hair for a second. I was going for a 90s blowout, Rachel Green on Friends kind of vibe, and I feel like that's exactly what we got. I've got some fringe framing pieces in the front and the volume throughout the hair in the back. Now, if you wanted a curlier look, I would encourage you to use more of the smaller and medium rollers, as they're wrapped around the Velcro roller more, so there is going to be more of a curl. However, for the blowout look, I used all of the large Velcro rollers to get that volume that we're going for, and a few of these smaller rollers to get the fringe frame around the face. I personally love this style. I love the hair, I love the volume, and I know this is going to last me like 3 days. On top of that, my hair did itself. No, seriously, if I put my hair as I regularly would up in my Velcro rollers, I would do my makeup, choose my outfit for the day, have breakfast, hey, I would even take my dog for a walk in the rollers. And then at the end of all that, I unroll my hair and I have a blowout. If that's not magic, I don't know what is. And there it is, a blowout with Velcro rollers. Let us know if you would use your Velcro rollers for volume or curl and bounce. If you want to get your hands on your own Velcro roller set, check out the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Also, follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more hair-inspired videos, and we'll see you next time.